Oh boy, 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 oh boy. A, E, O, U. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. What a channel, what a channel, Savik TV. What a friend, Savik TV. What a channel, Savik TV. What a friend, Savik TV. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. Savik TV, reggae vibe strong. From Nairobi to the world, we'll sing along. With the best of vlogs and stories to be told. We spreading joy and breaking records. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah. What a friend, Savik TV. What a channel, Savik TV. What a friend, Savik TV. What a channel, Savik TV. Savik TV, best channel in the land. Bringing you the magic with our reggae band. Subscribe, like and join our family. Savik TV, where the vlogs are meant to be, boy. Yeah, Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. Savik TV, Savik TV, yeah, yeah, yeah. Bless up, Joe Rastafari. Ladies and gentlemen, Rasta people, welcome to Savik TV, your home of infotainment, and welcome to the Reggae edition, episode 19. Yeah guys, let's go. So guys, after visiting the dam with my fellow content creators, we were like, you know what, the day is too young, it's too early to retire, so we gotta go and visit another destination. Remember, still I'm on the quest to get to know Ilorin better. I'm still on the quest to know Kwara State better, so we decided, you know what, let's just move to another destination. So guys, join me as we move to another destination. Join me as we get to explore Kwara State Mall. Do not tire, just sit back, get your popcorns and let go.
Try this, take another.
Collez-moi. Je vais l'arrêter.
Yeah man, so after buying fruits, time to cross over to the other side of the road, get a cab or get a KK and move to the destination. Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, welcome to Civic TV, your home of infotainment. So it's a calm Sunday, man, coming to you live from what do you call this? Man, I'm forgetting the name. So I'm coming to you live from the mall. I don't even know the mall's name. We'll get to know the mall, but basically, what do you call this mall?
Palms Shopping Mall. Palms Shopping Mall.
Palm Shopping Mall. That intro did not work, but I'm not going to edit it. I'll work with that intro. So it's Palm Shopping Mall. What do we have here in this mall? Shoprite, edibles, whatever. But I'm not gonna tell you everything that you have. Let's watch this video. That's when we'll get to know what we have at this mall. But you see, it's a big mall. A lot of activities are happening right here. Yeah, let's get to move around and let's get to check out what we have here, guys. Edibles restaurant right there, man. The mall's name is right there, Palms Mall. So that's the entrance. You can see it's a busy entrance right now. Everyone is coming in, people coming in, others are going out. Yeah, and then of course Fate Road right there. Fate Road, the outside, yeah, the main road right there. So join me, let's go in, let's check out all these good places in here, guys. Let's check them out. Yo. So a lot of people have come to shop. You can see a lot of cars are parked right here. Kids are here to play, so they are good kids playing places as well. Hair sense, very nice. Salons right there. Yeah, man, and of course, yeah, a lot of activities going down, man. It's the mall, as we say. As you can see, it's quite big, quite huge. And then you can see big machines, of course, right here. Huh?
No, not you.
You want the best movies? Shopify store. I think Shopify is online, right? I've seen Shopify online.
Yeah, it's online.
So it's like their pickup station right here.
I don't know.
Probably. Then of course there is Shoprite, there is Health Plus, Halal, there is KFC, man, the great KFC, edibles and all. Let's keep going, guys. We get to know as close as we can.
I will not watch it until I see the review.
What? Which movie?
Everybody watch about an
Which movie?
One is in. You don't come to cinema. They say don't come to cinema.
Which movie now?
It's one Yoruba actor.
I thought it was a movie I can watch.
You even know himself.
No, Yoruba movies for me is a no. I don't like.
That's what I'm saying.
You know, normally
Because I don't understand what they are saying.
Normally I have to do subtitles. So I don't like that. That now I have to go read subtitles when I'm watching a movie. It's never.
But reading subtitles is not a big deal to me.
No, it takes.
Just the same way I love Indian movies.
I don't like Indian movies because of the things they do. Those.
What did they do?
The action is not even
That's
legit.
my favorite.
Are we going into the mall? Are we going into Shoprite?
No.
Why not?
What do you want to go and do inside? Not that we are buying anything. Show it over one camera.
Will they know we are shooting? We are recording.
But what's there? Everybody knows what's inside the Shoprite, Nabi.
Yeah?
Everybody knows what's inside Shoprite. Is there any point of going inside?
So, why are you showing people? Good photographing area. So guys, just come to KFC to take photos, man. Wow. Red Flames, Chuku Chronicles, man. So there is a lot that happens at the mall, as you can see, guys. And yeah, people are just here taking photos. Perhaps enjoying, man. Yeah. A lot is happening. A lot is happening. So I wanted to take you guys to Shoprite. Of course, they don't allow filming, so I don't know. Should I risk
and just try checking out their prices of common commodities, and then do a comparison with the Kenyan prices and see if the value of our money and how it plays out. I don't know, should I try? Yeah man, I don't know whether I should try, because it's a big risk. I don't know whether it's a risk worth taking, because the moment they see someone with a phone in there, it's a case, and I don't want to start answering cases, guys, considering man, I don't know, it's sunny out here, man. It's sunny out here, guys. Yeah, but we move on regardless. Yeah, so basically that is how the mall looks like from outside. So yes, we've not been able to get in, so I'm still contemplating whether to go into the mall or not, rather to go into Shoprite or not. If it's possible to go into Shoprite, I'm contemplating, so let me weigh the risks. If it's a risk worth taking, then I can guarantee you I'll go in and perhaps just sweep through, take a look, and perhaps buy a thing or two. Yeah, so we try. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah man, so in the meantime, there we are, but let's think about it. Let me think about it, and then I'll get back to you guys.